finish this puppy. It says define a variable, don't you dare forget to define a variable, and write an inequality to model the situation. The classroom can hold no more than 35 students per class period. What are we talking about? Students. So I'm going to say S equals students. That's what it means to define a variable. It means we're going to use a variable, a mystery number, S. It's representing the number of students. So S, and I know I'm going to use the number 35, no more than, right, because the classroom can't hold as more than, so it's no more than 35. It can hold 35, but no more. So that's what S is less than or 35 represents. The car's speed ranged between 30 and 35 miles per hour. Whenever you're dealing with a between situation, it's an and problem. We're talking about speed, so I'm going to say S is speed. So the car's speed has to be between 30 and 35. It has to be greater than 30 and less than 35 at the same time. 21. Children must be at least 7 years old to play in the T-ball league. Okay, so we're talking about kids and how old they are. I'm just going to say A is age. If you used X or S or whatever, that's fine. But you do need to tell me you're talking about age or years. So the age has to be at least 7. So the age is okay if it's bigger than 7 and also equal to 7. So A is greater than or equal to 7.